Dear visitors, the preservation of glaciers is one of the major global environmental challenges of our time. In response to this issue, the fifth international initiative of the Republic of Tajikistan on glaciers preservation has received broad support from the international community. On 14 December 2022, during the 77th session of the United Nations General Assembly, the year 2025 was proclaimed the International Years of Glaciers Preservation, and 21st of March, the International Day of Glaciers. This resolution was adopted at the initiative of the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, His Excellency Emomali Rahman. To present this important initiative, a permanent exhibition hall has been established at the National Museum of Tajikistan. The displays in this hall highlight glaciers and reflect Tajikistan's international initiative in the field of water resources and glaciers conservation. By visiting this exhibition, you can learn about the achievements of Tajikistan in water resources and glaciers. At the end, we welcome you to the National Museum.